Okay, my YouTube people, this is a quick little video on installing your oil lines and your vent. This is an early Evo. This is the suction. The oil that comes down from the oil tank comes into this port. This is a vent. This goes to atmosphere, but it could also go to your oil tank, and then your oil tank needs to be vented to atmosphere. This is your return. The oil that comes out of the motor comes out of here, and it either goes to an oil filter or back to the oil tank. It's very important that both of these threads have Teflon sealant on them. And the two types of sealant are as follows. You have Teflon paste and Teflon tape. Never use Teflon tape. You have to use the Teflon paste. The issue with the tape is it's an industry standard to leave the very last thread bare with no tape. But what ends up happening, even if you do that sometimes, is that the tape will actually squeeze into the port when it's tightened down. And if that happens, the tape will get loose and end up going into your motor, and it'll clog something up in your motor, like your lifters or something like that. So you don't ever really want to use the tape. You want to use the paste. The way I do is I get some of the paste on a small screwdriver, and then I just paste it right onto the threads. Now that you have the paste on it, you don't have to worry about it going into the engine. Then you just take and you screw the port in. Now I just take a 1/2-inch wrench and tighten this up, and you don't have to crush it in, you just have to get it in. So you can see now I can't really get the wrench on it to turn it, and I don't want to mar it. So what you do is you park the wrench on top of it like this and get an adjustable, and you just spin it around like that, and then you can get it that last little bit and get it to point out. Now this doesn't have to be crushed in because the paste will help seal it. Now I'm going to do the next one for here. Now you install this one. And you can see this one, I got a little more paste on it. You can just take some brake clean and clean off the excess after it dries. After you have both these installed, then you can put in your ports. Okay, again, it's Teflon, and now you just put these in. And last, I'll install the vent. This vent is one of the easy ways to tell that this is an early Evo. Late Evos had vents in the heads, and it had tubes from those vents into the carburetor. Okay, that's how you install those. I appreciate you watching. Please hit that like button. It don't cost you a thing, and it helps my channel. And don't forget to subscribe. I appreciate it. Have a great day.